Introducing Dr. Gayatri Narasimhan, a trailblazer in the field of special education.
Namaste. Greetings to all. I am Gayatri Narasimhan.
Dr. Gayatri Narasimhan is an entrepreneur by profession, but a special educator by passion.
Of course, the change came because of one child with special needs.
Oh,
So
wow.
I met her, and I had to teach her social studies. I can never forget this incident. I could not
Yes.
teach the basic 9th grade social studies to this girl, 9th
Okay.
standard girl. Then what is the purpose of my education? Why did I ever study so much?
This question led Dr. Gayatri Narasimhan on a beautiful journey in the path of special education. She is on a mission to improve the lives of neurodivergent individuals by holistically training them with the knowledge and skills they need, with the ultimate aim of assisting them in living meaningful, independent, and dignified lives. She believes in providing knowledge at absolutely no cost, as neurodivergent individuals and their families already go through a lot of financial expenditures, along with societal stigma. Chapter 2, Areas of Work. Dr. Gayatri is the founder of Prakramika Vocational Institute, fondly known as PVI, works for neurodivergent individuals in multiple sectors in special education, namely vocational training, skill development, and inclusive education framework training for schools. Prakramika Vocational Institute provides intensive training for special schools in setting up a vocational unit, including the staffing, and is at the heart of Dr. Gayatri's work. She provides a 4-day vocational training program for schools covering the following topics shown. Dr. Gayatri also works in the sector of skill development, where she offers online courses under PVI. Under this sector, she has worked on Project SkillForge, which offers Career Pro Prakramika Vocational Institute's flagship 2-year program. It equips neurodivergent individuals with both foundational and specialized skills through a 2-step approach for holistic learning. In the first year, also called the Foundation Year, students complete 6 foundational courses. In the second year, they progress to more advanced professional training, selecting one of the following 4 career pathways aligned with their interests and aptitudes. Upon completion, the professionals receive certifications from PVI, Imprucep Training Center, and Mudita Creative School, both of which are sister concerns of PVI, which enhances their employment prospects in various industries. Dr. Gayatri also offers inclusive education framework training for schools, equipping educators and stakeholders to create inclusive learning environments. Her training covers challenges, system analysis, essay and department design, screening processes, IEP development, lesson planning, documentation, and so much more. Chapter 3, From India to Oman and Beyond. From conducting online skill development courses for neurodivergent students, inclusion training for schools, and collaborating with NGOs for online vocational training sessions in India, to making an Omani adult with Down syndrome an entrepreneur through holistic training and conducting vocational training sessions in collaboration with various organizations like Oman Down Syndrome Association in Oman and a special robotics workshop in collaboration with EduTech for Space and ODSA, to presenting on the topic of education for special needs and the challenges faced by organizations in the UN Civil Society Conference 2024 held in Nairobi, Kenya, to collaborating with We Embrace for assessing various Indian neurodivergent individuals in the US and training their caretakers in various vocational skills, along with imparting essential knowledge on neurodiversity. She has come a long way over the last 15 years of her service towards the special needs community. Chapter 4, Books. Dr. Gayatri has written 3 books so far. INVAS, Unifying Pathways, Building Blocks of a Vocational Unit, out of which INVAS and Unifying Pathways have won the prestigious Golden Book Awards in 2023 and 2024 respectively. INVAS, standing for an integrated curriculum for vocational and skill-based training, is a book that advocates on bringing a structured, uniform and measurable curriculum among special schools. Building Blocks of a Vocational Unit, meant to be used as a practical handbook along with INVAS. Dr. Gayatri provides a step-by-step guide here for establishing a vocational unit that will successfully equip the neurodivergent. Unifying Pathways. In this enlightening exploration, Dr. Gayatri introduces a paradigm shift that transforms regular schools into inclusive hubs by bringing all learners under one umbrella. Chapter 5 Honors. Dr. Gayatri has been honored with multiple awards including Woman of Excellence Award by Indian Achievers for Outstanding Professional Achievement and Contribution in Nation Building 2020. Sakal Idols of Maharashtra 2022. CSR Times Award at 10th National CSR Summit 2023. Inspiring Leaders Award by Times Applaud 2024. She is honored to have encountered and interacted with various delegates such as Dr. Pramod Sawant, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Ambassador Shri Indramani Pandey, IFS, Dr. Sandeep Marwa, President of Asian Academy of Film and Television, Shri Manush Kumar Chandra, Government of NCT of Delhi, Dr. Alok Kumar Gupta, Assistant Director Academics, NIOS, Mrs. Hema Malini, Member of Parliament. However, as famously quoted by Ben Sweetland, success is a journey, not a destination. Dr. Gayatri feels this is just the beginning of a new era, the era of neuro-inclusion. Her next target, you ask? It is to build inclusion in the workplace in order to complete the purpose of the holistic training. Here's to a more neuro-inclusive and skill-developed world.